Hello, today our problem is sum of series part 2. In this problem, we will see how a rational number is, is summing in recursion. Here we will go through first how will be the input and how will be the output. This is an example. Let's see first with the example. If we take the input n is equal to 5 number of series, then output should be like this. First it will be go 1 and then 1 by 2 to the power 1, then 1 by 2 to the power 2, 1 by 2 to the power 3, 1 by 2 to the power 4, plus 1 by 2 to the power 5. And all of the sum is will be like this. Number 2, then this will be 0.5 and 0.25, then 0.125, then this will be supposed to 0.0 0.0625, and this will be supposed to 0.03131 something. So after if we sum this in calculator, then sum will be if we sum all of this value, then sum will be a rational number. You can first check in calculator. I will provide the answer in the code when we will do the code. So let's see what will be the code, and then we will see the dry run, and then we will execute in practical. In recursion, we'll take the recursion function rational sum. Here we'll take the value in 10, and then we'll write the condition. If n is equal to 1, then it will return 1. Else or we can say there is another. Here n is equal to 1. When n is equal to we see that n is equal to 1, then the value is going to 0.5, and n is equal to 0, then value is 1. This is our first number. So we'll take n is equal to 0, then it will return 1. Now let's go through. Next, else. In else condition, it will return n plus not n, to return 1 divided by 2 to the power n plus rational sum n minus 1. This will be our final And now let's see how the dry run is working. In dry run, suppose we will take n is equal to 5. Then first, just like the other problem, it will first check is the base condition is right or wrong. N is equal to 0. Here n is 5 is equal to 0. No. Then it will go to next condition. What was the next condition? 1 by 2 to the power n plus rational sum n minus 1. Then 1 by 2 to the power 5 plus rational sum n minus 1 4. Then it will again check 4 is equal to 0. No. Then 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus again rational sum n minus 1 3. Now it will call the recursion again and check the base condition n is equal to 0. No. Then 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus rational sum 2. And now it will check the rational sum again. Call. It will call recursion call. Then 2 is equal to 0. No. 1 by 2 to the power 2. Next condition it is calling now. And rational sum is n minus 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Again it will check the base condition 1 is equal to 0. No. Then 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus rational sum 0. And now this will be call again, and it will check 0 is equal to 0. Yes. Then it will return 1. And now this one will be come to here, and here will be the outputs. Here will be some output 0.5 plus 1. Then it will be 1.5, and here will come 1.5 plus 1 by 2 to the power 2 means 1 by 4 means 0.25, and output will be 1.75, and this will be here, and 0.125 plus 1.75. This value will become here, and here will be the another output. Here will be this value will be the sum with this, and this value come to here, and this will be come to here, and there will be the sum output. Here will be the final output. Let's check in calculator. One plus 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125 plus 0.062 plus 0.31, 2.247. So the output will be 2.247. And when we will run in practical, then this will be more long. Let's die run this code. Sorry, not die run. Let's go to practical. Here we will create a file name rational sum dot c++. We will just some copy from our previous we just changed something. N is equal to 0. This is our base case. Then return will be 1, and now we'll change here something. 1 divided by 2 to power n plus sum of series n minus 1. Power of 2 to the power n. Now run this code. Now we'll just copy paste from our previous code, and this is our base case. We change here n is equal to 0, and it will returning the 1, and then and now in the else condition 1 by power of 2 to the power n and sum of series n minus 1. Now let's run this code, and we run this, and again run this code. There is something error or some. This is the rational sum problem, and it's our previous another problem. We just change here something. This is the base case, and we just change here double, because in integer rational number are not stored, so we take the double, and here the return 1.0 and return 1.0 divide by 2 to the power n, and this is the recursive call. And now let's run this code. It's wanting us to give the input, and we give the 5, and this is our output 1.96875. Now let's see if we give the 10, what will be the output. Now it's 10, and output is 1.9902. Thanks for watching.